Hello again. If you watched my previous video, then you'll know that I'm the proud father of a BrewTools B80 Pro. So like I said before, there doesn't seem to be that much material in terms of videos on YouTube, things like that out there at the moment. Relatively new product as far as I can see. Taking a bit of a chance really in that regard, because this is it's an expensive piece of kit. The B80 Pro was bought by myself from the Malt Miller, so thanks guys for getting that over to us all safe and sound. Well, I guess I won't know until I've opened it, right, but it looks in good condition. So price tag of £1,900 sterling at the moment. Yeah, hoping it's going to fit my needs perfectly, which is why I kind of dove in feet first. Like I said previously, a bit of a time saver, can do a lot more volume, and especially with the steam hat and the kind of condenser unit that I'm hoping to obtain in the future, it's going to fit my personal needs perfectly. So I just want to put a bit more material out there, so if you're thinking of buying this, then hopefully it's helpful for you. But yeah, beyond that, this is an unboxing. Let's get stuck in. I'll get into it eventually. Oh my word. A lot of effort went into developing this product. We hope you will enjoy it as much as we do. I hope so too. Like that. Instruction manual, brew father, leaflet. Okay, pop them down. Yeah, nice. Okay, so one thing I wasn't sure about was buying this in the UK. Obviously it's a Norwegian product. I did anticipate it coming with a European plug and having to use an adapter. So there you go. I know they sell a European version and a US version, so this is, like I said, I wasn't sure, so that's a nice touch that it comes with a UK plug and two of them. So you need to use two power cables to get the full 6.6 kilowatt heating element, and obviously you can change it I think as well. I say obviously, maybe you're not familiar, but on the control panel you can adjust the ampage that it's kicking out, so 16, 15, 13 and I think maybe 10 as well, but I think I've been running it at 13, so we won't get the full power, but that's okay because I've got the steam hat, so it should take up less power anyway. Okay. Oh, lots of little bits of PC on top, which is nice. Okay. Let's put that there a second. Okay, let's pop these down. Okay, so not sure what that is. So I think it's possibly a 19mm for the hosing. The three-way valve. Is that the same size? Probably another 19mm. A couple of blanking caps. Okay, so that's the mash hat for spreading the water over the grain bed and for sparging. blanking caps, so I think that's 3 altogether. That's just fell out of there, but that's fine. So 3 blanking caps. Dip tube. Let's just unwrap this bad boy. And obviously these are made of stainless steel, but I tell you what, there's some weight to them. Some weighty quality. Very nice. So 3-way valve. Spread it onto the chair here. Tri-clamps, 34mm tri-clamps. A bunch of those. I think there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those. Some O-rings. Okay. Ooh, SD card. I'm not sure what that's for. I think that's for updating the control unit. I know you can update it via Wi-Fi anyway, so if you've got Wi-Fi, then you sorted, aren't you? Okay. Some gaskets. More O-rings. More O-rings. Okay, and it looks like you've got to fit the kind of extendable legs for when you lift the grain pipe out. So it looks like you've got to fit those, which is fine. But when you lift it out, they kind of spring out and then grab onto the side so you can let it drain. Big piece of foam. Shield. Nice big lid. One thing that's slightly disappointing is that I think you can buy them separately, but it doesn't actually come with a seal. I don't think they're the cheapest. I think they were about €20, but it is what it is. So we'll pop that over here for now. Okay. Wow. Okay, so this looks like the central pipe for recirculation over the grain bed and the wort. So I think that just goes in the middle of this, which is the grain basket. So you can see that reinforced there. I believe it comes with I think it's a coarse filter. I think that it comes with the standard, and again I think they're accessorising these things, so I think you can actually buy a finer filter should you wish. That is a serious piece of silicone hosing. That is really thick. Nice and quite clear as well. So you should be able to check the clarity of your wort fairly easily with that. Okay, I don't know how long that is, but probably about 1 metre or so. Just before I put it down, you can see the sizable handle as well, as you'd expect for something this size. And you can see that lifted up. You can see the little ring there. So that's going to stop the handle kind of slipping out, you know, and obviously going everywhere. No one wants that, right? Oh, running out of space in here. Okay, main event. Oh. Whew. There's some weight to that. Okay, so centre pipe, which is enhanced by the previous pipe that I mentioned. Can get in there. Let's have a look. So down here, got a nice temperature probe. Obviously a space for the dip tube. The one thing that I'm a little bit cautious of, or not cautious, but maybe a little bit concerned, is about the heating elements. Now, I think if they stay submerged, they shouldn't burn and scald the wort, but I'm just wondering how easy they are going to be to clean. Now, this is a clean in place system, so hopefully fairly easy. But yeah, time will tell. We'll see how that goes. The markings for the volume there. You can see that. Yeah, like I said, this is a serious piece of kit. It's actually stuck on my chair at the moment. Okay. I probably should have set the room up a bit better than this, to be honest, but never mind. Okay, so one more tap. We can change the way the wort is flowing. Control panel, very nice indeed. Another valve there for the wort to come out of, I believe. Not sure what it looks like underneath. Let's have a look. Is the pump already in there? Yep, I believe so. So, okay. I know you can whirlpool with this. You get a separate dip tube, I think it is, which comes in the accessory pack. So, I'm not sure where it goes, to be honest, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Bloody hell, I'm knackered. Oh, so there you have it. Two big handles as well, which is great. So yeah, okay. Impressive. Oh, crikey. Crikey. Well, got a lot to play with, haven't I? Lots of bits to unwrap, lots to get set up. The only trouble is finding time before Christmas to do it. Busy time of year really. Probably should have just got this in the new year, might have been on sale. But there you go. That is the B80 Pro unboxed. Hope you found it useful. I'm still none the wiser until I get kind of stuck in, getting it set up, opening and closing all the valves. I mean, there's already, obviously, as you can see, I think there's 3 ports on the main vessel, and you can have up to 3 three-way valves, which I do have. So it's going to be interesting to have a play with all the valves and, you know, just have a see how it works. Obviously a lot more complicated than your standard all-in-one systems like your kind of G30 Brainfather, Bulldog Brewer, like the one I've got at the moment. So yeah, I can't wait to get to get involved with this and get it set up. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it or you found it useful, give me a like, share, subscribe. I'm going to have a minute and then I'm going to unbox the, what am I going to unbox? I think the Steam hat next. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in a bit.